All right, we live, baby. We live, baby. Yeah. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna keep it real with you because I'm just figuring this out. I know how to do automations. I know how to use N8N and all that other tutorial stuff. I know how to use GHL and figure out a lot of marketing services. But right now, I'm doing something new and I'm trying to figure this out live because I've got a tutorial pulled up on my phone right here. My lighting is trash because I'm just sitting in the room. I'm not downstairs in my studio. And I don't even know if this is gonna work, but that's why actually I'm going live instead of waiting for stuff to be perfect. I'm just going live right now so y'all can see and look at me struggle go through this, and we could probably figure out some things along the way if anybody jump in, because I'm pretty sure there's nobody in here right now. I probably only got like 3 subscribers right now. But what we're doing today is we setting up Claude AI so we can actually control. Well, I actually have Claude extension already in, but I'm using VS Code now. So I'm trying to get VS Code to be able to use the Chrome browser extension and open websites and click around and do the stuff while I'm in VS Code versus going to the browser, excuse me, myself and doing stuff like that. And so I'm learning how to do this right now. The camera on, same as you. And if you ever felt like this tech stuff is moving too fast, or if you're just trying to keep up, this stream is definitely going to be for you so we can figure this out together. By the end of this, I should be able to, as she said in the tutorial, I should be able to automate 4 types of videos. I don't know how long this is going to take. It is about 7:30 right now, and let's just get to it right now. I have to. I should put it on OBS so y'all can see my screen. I forgot about that part. I might have to come back, but I'm running all these AIs on my computer. Plus, I'm trying to run OBS. I don't know if this laptop can handle it because my PC is sorry. I got loose skin on my hand. It's the one right there in the middle. I'll be feeling like Spider-Man. But yeah, you know what? I might start this over and come back because so y'all can see my screen. So it wouldn't be a tutorial, or y'all wouldn't be able to learn along with me if y'all couldn't see my screen. So I'll be right back. Pause this. I'm gonna have to go to OBS Studio instead, so y'all can. Oh, I can share my screen with Oh, I didn't know that. No, I want to do this one. So I didn't know you could do that on YouTube. My square is in the way. Can you edit that? Can I move that? See, that literally, this is wrong because I'm figuring this out. I never use YouTube Studio. I can't scroll down. Hide that. What's this button? Sorry, you guys. I'm just edit. What did I do? I edit that. I need to move that box out the way. Okay, whatever. Let's just get to it. We're not being perfect, but that's my thing right now. I just made the intro. I closed this, and it told me I have to restart it again because I just added like a couple skills, man. Quite a couple skills. Okay, open that back up. And I think we have to share the screen again. Hold on 1 second. And let me just try this. blowtato.com using Chrome browser. I keep spelling that wrong. Let's see. Open up blowtato.com using Chrome browser. Let's share that screen now. Let's see what it's doing. Window, this, share. Let's say Playwright MCP isn't loading. It needs full restart of Claude. I just restarted Claude. Okay, let's try this again. I just closed it. Close VS Studio again. What's up? Close this.
Junk. I don't have nothing.
So I'm trying this again. It's about the third time I opened up VS Studio. What do you mean by open up Chrome extension? Open Chrome extension and go to blowtato.com. Lordy Lord, I done downloaded Git. I done downloaded a Puppet Master MCP. I done loaded. Let me see. The Playwright MCP still needs to fully load after a restart. But this is the thing. I can actually have Blowtato connect directly through its API. No browser needed. I know. I already got the skills on there. It's 5 skills she gave for Blowtato. I already got those installed. Want me to pull up Blowtato account info through API connect instead? That might be fast. What do you mean? That's the right content skill. I got that from freaking Blowtato. What are they talking about? Where's my other skills at? Let me see. File. Open folder. Automate content. We're supposed to be in this folder. Select folder. Right? We in that folder? Is it open? Need to freeze. This is so confusing, bro. Dude, what the heck is going on? That's why it's taking me days. It's taking me days, and I keep going over tutorials. Not her. I'm not dissing her, but everybody keep coming out with new tutorials. Blah 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 blah. Like all this extra stuff that I gotta install. Nobody's doing it on their stuff. I have to. Roman user I don't know. Installed all that stuff. New stuff. JSON.code. .json. I learned how to write that. Let's see, not JSON. I'm just 2ing all the way through. You're supposed to be. It say you press 2 and it say allow for the whole session, but you still got to keep pressing. I don't understand what that's about. This setting file. Let me know if there's error logs for this session. Yes, I keep pressing that. I tried to do the /goal. Everybody said it's a thing called /goal you can do, but I guess that's a skill you got to download. Nobody's showing where to get it from, bro. Search Claude VS Code logs for MCP. Play right here. Bro, I got it here. And I got it installed on my Chrome browser. That's what's pissing me off for real. Bro, I'm gonna just keep clicking yes and keep going. I'm gonna run out of freaking Claude tokens. Look at that. It's taking all these freaking tokens. Because on hers, she sat here and said go to Blowtato, and then it pulled up the browser instead of me just clicking on the Chrome browser. Found it in log, blah blah blah. Verify JSON. Length attributes. This is getting very frustrating already. I like that I can see the window now. It's just gonna keep on giving me more stuff, bro. Like, continue until check most recent. Bro, yes, bro. It took me like 45 minutes to get Remotion to install. I had to keep closing the windows off and on for that. Code log. Like, I don't even know what this is really installing. But they keep on using all these freaking tokens, bro. I'm gonna run out of tokens. And I'm so mad because I had a whole marketing plan already mapped out. I had generated videos already. And I was gonna call them today, but when I got back on here for VS Studio, I guess I like right now it's saying this right here is saying local session. And I don't know what the heck it is because apparently I'm in Claude, right? And I opened up the folder, I did that, but none of this stuff is on my Claude account. And okay, like got the issue clear. You've been closing the chat window, but the VS Code itself needs to be fully. Bro, I've been closing the whole window. What are you talking about? Unload when the entire application restarts, not just a Claude panel. Try this. Alt F4 on VS Code or file exit. What? Or file exit to fully close it. File exit. So instead of hitting X, I gotta hit file. And, all right, hold on, because y'all finna see now. VS Code, open it back up. I'm gonna share the window back again with y'all. Window, share. Use Chrome extension to go to blowtato.com. Try it again. Run this in the terminal right now and paste me what it says. I was using the terminal before. I can't open Claude. Not. And it's not loaded yet. And I just did what they said. Let me see, do Claude, what is it? Alt F4. And then now it's gone again. It's gone again. Bro, they're gonna make me have to restart my whole computer. Let me see. I'm about to Control Alt delete Task Manager. RS TV UV virtual VS Studio not even on there, so it's not even open. It's not open. Yeah, that's all of them. Okay, it's not open. It's not open. It's not open. Oh, let me just go to Claude, bro, because they pissing me off. Just open up Claude because I got Claude Code on my computer. There's Claude Code. Treadwell marketing management role. What? I'll be doing so much stuff on here. See, I can do all this stuff. I can do Claude Code because I installed Git. I can do that now. It's in the right folder, AI Social Media Manager. Let me see. Open. Go. Use Chrome browser to go to blowtato.com. So now we're gonna do it in Claude Code and see what happens. Navigating blow in using Claude and Chrome to navigate. So it works on here, but it's not working on VS Studio 2. Oh shoot, 2. Wait, what the heck? Allow Claude. We're not. Using tool search. That's what I'm saying. See, I just allow Claude to use it, bro. I just installed so much crap using VS Code, but not Claude Code. The browser is not on Blowtato. Page loaded successfully. It's showing Blowtato homepage. Okay, where? Oh, see, so it works in code, but it's not working in VS Studio, which don't make sense to me at all right now. Whatever, man. I just not use VS Studio, which just gets stupid. This my. See, all my skills is on there now, but they not in VS Studio. Just getting on my nerves. Let's see. But okay, we just gonna use Claude Code interface. We're not gonna use VS Studio unless she give me a step in here where I gotta actually use it. So y'all finna be here with me.
This was all done on the very first run.
I know that part.
Or give any additional feedback, and it was 100%.
Oh, I gotta find that.
Now, people look at this and say, "Wow, this must burn a lot of tokens," but it really doesn't, and that's because we're.
I gotta put the screenshot. I'm gonna just throw it in here.
Allowing Claude to write code
Bro,
that then generates.
I hate iPhone. Select all.
Here's the prompt.
Close this. Y'all, I'm just. This is the tutorial we watching right now, and I'm gonna just put this picture in here. Select photos. I'm gonna just throw this picture in here so I can just copy it real quick. From my chat. Because, man, this stuff is. I can copy it. Ooh, can I? Use this prompt, right? Because she said.
It's going to know what to do based on the screenshot. If you want to change the topic, then I recommend just typing that. So let's say start a new session here. Just say this topic is whatever topic you want. Then drop in the screenshot afterwards. The topic you wrote is going to.
How am I supposed to just paste the freaking picture? How did it even work? Because it's not letting me paste. All right, I guess we gotta save it. I don't know why it's a copy button right there then. I guess a copy freaking button right there, bro. I'm trying this again. Add folders, plugins, add folder plugin, add files, photos. All right, man. Chat. Copy image. I can't even save it. What's going on? All right, now I'm getting mad, bro. Come on, bro. Let me see. Do I gotta go to Claude on my browser to be able to save the freaking thing? Because I just can't get the picture. Like, what the heck? Browser Claude. Click this. Bro. Click it. Save image as. I guess we'll see. Yeah. And it's talking about it's a web file picture. See, bro. I got now see exactly what you're working with. This is remote skills on built with Claude. Blah 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 blah. Give me the text or the prompt so that I can copy and paste it. I freaking got use emotion skills. Let me see. Copy. Let's go back to this. Back in here. Go back to code. Bang. Bang. Where is it? Why is it not showing this? It's in that folder. Because see, that's one cowork. No, it wasn't cowork showing my folders. It was this showing my folders. But right now, it's not showing me that it's inside my folders. So now I'm kind of like, Ran skill Anthropic. This skill was loaded for your YouTube scripts. Not quite what's needed. What? Let me proceed directly with the. I should have read the prompt, huh? And I can't do this long. Meet the AI agent skill. Oh, that's the one she made the demo for. This script work for you once approved. I'll build all 5 scenes with emotion or what? Oh, really? Fine. Let me see. I just want to test it out. Yes. Because her emotion look crazy. Like she got a. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Maybe it's magic. And it's gonna open up a video editor and all kind of stuff. Because apparently VS Code not working the way it's supposed to. Good. Now scaffold emotion. I'm gonna watch the rest of this video while it's doing that. Let's see.
Override what's in the screenshot, but it's easier if you just take a screenshot. Start.
This is Sabrina Romanov tutorial that I'm looking at.
Change the topic later once you get the hang of how to do this. The one line I want to point out here is this preview line. Every single prompt has this line. This means after Claude is done building the video, it's going to launch Motion Studio so that you can preview the video in your browser. This interface comes pre-packaged with a skill. This isn't something I have to install or pay for.
Okay, it comes pre-packaged with the skill. Not something I have to install or pay for. And I also have a Remotion account. Unless they're gonna make me redo all of this stuff. Does this description work for you? Good. Not building tools. Loud building emotion. Good. Okay. CLI active. I don't care, bro. Like /go. Oh, see, it's not on VS Studio. I don't know why those don't sync up the way they're supposed to. When I first started using VS Code, they were. But I've been using it without having my external drive plugged up. So I was just doing like local sessions. But now it won't even pop up as a web session. So it's not going to my stuff. Every time I click the thing that's in to oh, I got so many windows open. Every time I click the skill that says to, what are y'all looking at? Oh, I still see you. Okay. Running 2 tasks. So this is in real time. I'll go here and just make a story real quick. I'll make one later. Hold on. It's taking about 3 minutes so far. Let me reread. You know what? Listen to the tutorial. I'm getting sidetracked.
This is just running locally on my computer, and
I've seen some of this already, so I'm skipping through some of it.
And if you want to render or export the launch this, if it doesn't, you can prompt it again and say launch Motion Studio, and then it should launch it in your browser, and it should look like this. And it's going to automatically categorize it as well.
I know Remotion not open on my browser yet.
See the different folders here, but
Blotato is still open.
Move things around. Now let me just show you what a typical
Close that.
conversation would look like with Claude Code and this new remotion skill. So here is like the really long prompt that I inputted.
Get rid
so
of
the
that.
screenshot we previously took. And then it's going to say skill remotion. That's good. That means it picked up that it knows it's a video editing or creation task. So it's going to use the pre-built skill that you installed. Now let me just show you what a typical conversation would look like with Claude Code and this new remotion skill. So here is like the really long prompt that I inputted. So the screenshot you previously took. And then it's going to say skill remotion. That's good. That means it picked up that it knows it's a video editing or creation task. So it's going to use the pre-built skill that you installed in step one. And this is using a slightly different prompt. This is making data visualizations. That's why it's very numerical heavy. Claude will basically give you a similar storyboard. Like, here's what happens first in the video. Here's the hook. Here's what happens next. Here's
2 minutes and
the
52
CTA.
seconds.
It'll present that to you and ask for your permission. At
Oh,
that
my
point,
stuff's
you wanna
saying 4
review the
minutes and
storyboard,
okay.
Suggest any edits, right?
So let me write all the components. Now create. Now let me write. Now create remotion entry point and install transition package using PowerShell. Now I need to check around how to find the root file. It's either remotion.git.js. Like I installed node.js onto my computer, updated it, GitHub, default, now launch remotion. Okay, we might be in business. Because if this, oh, it opened up the window. Oh, I wish. What the heck is this? Is not a function. Type error. I want y'all to see. Now, this is what. Let me show y'all what that screen looks like. I'm about to make it crash. Stop sharing. Allow Claude to PowerShell start 5-second content. Oh, it gave me the thing. Hold on. Ah, here it is. This is what came up. I want y'all to see that. This is what came up. So I don't know what the heck. Let me say retry. Nope, didn't do nothing. But this does load. Okay. Render file, preview size, composition, tools. So I literally have no idea what to do next because all I'm doing is going off a prompt. I guess it must have messed up. Let's see. Because Fade isn't available in this version. I'll select line blur. Oh, I guess the server needs to restart to pick up the catch fix. Let me kill and relaunch. Okay. We might server disconnected. Running XP. Failed to fetch. Background shell failed. Launch remotion studio. Allow. Okay, sharing local host 3000, not 300. HTML in cabinets is not supported. To 2 common causes, Chrome is older than version 148 update Chrome, or HTML and canvas flag is disabled. Chrome flags, canvas draw elements, enable it and restart Chrome. Everything is a problem. Everything is a freaking problem. Also need to update root.js with correct. What the heck, bro? It's doing so much stuff. I'm gonna run out of credits. Bro. I'm gonna run out of credits. So this is Let me see. Hold on. Let me go back to YouTube so y'all can see the struggle I'm having right now. Uh-oh. Let me just keep on clicking allow once. I'm glad y'all can see what it's doing in real time, though. So this is a window. This is a window. Now it's 3 windows open. Let's click. Blotato browser testing. Claude is waiting for input. Project AI explainer. File what it does. Root agent video, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 loop. Oh, we didn't even have the skill all the way installed. It finally. All text respects the safe zones, headlines. Click AI agent explainer in the left panel to preview. Scrub the timeline to check each scene. Ooh. Wait, is this the one y'all see? Is this the window y'all see? Hold on. Is this the window y'all see? Okay. This. I see why OBS would be better because y'all really okay. So we got some work. It worked. It just wasn't done fixing itself yet. AI meet AI agent. Let me put this mug in maximize mode or something real quick. Is this the one y'all looking at? Okay, y'all looking at the same one I'm looking at. Good. Observe, repeat. Okay, exec API. I don't like how that's overlapping. Agent turns language into real action. Agents are the new apps. The future isn't chatbots. It's. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you. Kind of bottom of my heart. Thank you. And just answers. I wonder if I could. I think I can. Okay. Let me make a video real quick. I'm very happy. Wait. Oh, I got maximize. Book. I'm very proud of myself. Now, you know what? I'll wait. I'll wait till we're done. Okay. So now that this is actually working, thank God. But why wasn't VS Code working? See, oh, say low effort. Oh, I use 25%. Oh, it show you now. Thank God. I only use a quarter of my credits right now. Okay, so we good. Okay, so everybody clap it up for Sabrina because she's giving out that real work. Okay, so now that we actually got that working, now I need to figure out how to do the rest of this. First, I want to go look at that prompt because all this jibber jabber. Show more. Give me 1 second. Okay, use remote skill for blah 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 blah. Key navigation, blah, research script before writing code, research the topic, blah, blah, blah. Animation rules. Each scene should be every element. Skill data. Okay. So that would be. So if I wanted to do it, what I gotta do? AI agent. Wait. I don't know how to get that. Let me reshare this with your right screen. Okay, so now we back here. Okay, let me look at the tutorial. Let's look at the tutorial.
go back and forth. So here, for example, here's kind of the summary: panel, visualization, animation. Give it feedback. If you want background music, if you want a title, if you want videos in dark theme, and I wanted variety. Well, is like you can preview the video like I showed you here. And if there's something you don't like about it, you can go back to Claude and say, hey, fix this. So for example, here on this screen, if I wanted to reorder the list, I would just take a screenshot of this screen, drop it into Claude Code, and say, hey, please reorder the list. Maybe I want memory first, then element, then tools. Okay, so that's the first video. The second video I'm going to show you how to make is a product launch video. This is a really cool example because I'm going to show you two different types of videos Motion can make. Number one is what's called a simulated product demo. So here's the product video it made for my company. Okay, so here's the hook. Boom. There's like techno music. And here's a simulated demo. This is not my
So
app.
is it
This
music on there? Because
generated
mine not
by
making no music.
Motion and Claude by analyzing my website. It interpreted what my product does.
Her sound thing is off. And that's why she don't got music. Is my sound off? No. Well, I don't got music. Is it because I'm on that's actually really good though. Like it did this. This is really good. Let me see. Let me try to do this real quick. Can you add music to the video we just made? Generated with AI. So how do hers have music? But y'all telling me. Okay, here we go again. Use Remotion to do it. The search web pixabay. Oh my gosh, she did not have to do all that. She talking about this already music on hers. Let me check her timeline. Mine just say sequence. Tools, Ags, AI, color picker. Nope. Okay. No. I don't even know what to do with that, man. Look, this is what we're gonna do. This one work? Yes. This one work? Yes. This one work? Yes. Okay. This one work now? Yes. Close all that. That's what I'm trying to figure out, that prompt. But that prompt, this skill loaded. Ran skill, Anthropic skills, YouTube script writer. Not quite what we needed. Still on research. How do I even? So, what skill did we just use to create the video with Remotion? Because now, how do I do that again? Because now I'm getting confused. We actually didn't use a dedicated remotion skill. What loaded was the YouTube script right in there, which was the wrong skill. I then built the video manually from scratch. There may be a remote and best practice skill available that I missed. Would you like? Okay. What is going on? I don't even know. I don't even know no more. According to her, all you download is the remotion MCP. I don't know. I don't know. Is it the prompt? Each scene needs a every element. Key numbers used. Final scene product of 18 should have a clever metaphor. Have to build a launch from So that means here's a file for it. So I need to turn this into a skill then probably. Is that what it is? But okay, we just gonna keep going forward. Forget the music. I can always add music.
Looked at screenshots available on my website, and it automatically built this simulated.
If y'all want to, y'all can.
This is not at all on
Copy
my
the
website or even what
skill
my product
yourself.
looks like. But that's one thing it can do. I call this a simulated product demo. The next thing it can do is it can grab assets from my website. The reason that this prompt is
And this one got music too.
simulated product demos like this based on research what your product does. Start the prompt with here's my product, and then so you will have to take multiple screenshots. Okay, this is the first screenshot. It's going to first research what your product does. Start the prompt with here's my product, and then paste your URL. Claude is going to use the Claude and Chrome extension we installed in step 1 to open your website and go check it out. Then paste the screenshots here with the additional instructions. Okay, so here's the first screenshot. Okay. Here's screenshot number 2. Scene 3 is that simulated demo that I showed you. Scene 4 is the product image showcase, pulling relevant images and videos from the website. Scene 5 is calling out features, like it had the animated bullet points. 1, 2, 3, these are the features. And then here is just the last section. Scene 6 is social proof and CTA. If, for example, if you have testimonials, numbers of users on your website, anything like
so
that,
each of these
the same exact line as before. After building, launch Remotion Studio. So
I'm so done.
in my browser. And again, if it doesn't launch or you're not seeing a preview, ask again. Launch Remotion Studio. 3 different screenshots here. This is a massive prompt, but it's really cool, right? What it's able to produce. This is the hook. Here's the website. This isn't my logo. It pulled my logo and brand.
Does she got it linked in the description? Still my best practices. I make them free.
Cool. And then it grabs assets, screenshots that you can also grab.
I like her stuff, but I hate that when I click on the links in her descriptions, it don't go to exactly the video I was just looking at. Friday, yeah, live stream. See, now I don't even know which one it was. Like, once perfected your video templates, you will learn how to use Claude Code MCP skill to manage your entire content calendar and automatically publish it. Yeah. I mean, been on Substack because I've been following her so heavy. It's not showing where the heck it's at.
And brand colors automatically for video is a Google testimonial up on your website. Animated bullet points 1, 2, 3. These are the features. And then here is just
5 insane Claude Code video prompts. Okay, let me see. And try to search. You got search on here. I have to look at the web description and the slash, and I'm gonna try to find it from there. Make your first 5-point content creation. Can I just click on that? No, that's a screenshot. I can't even click on that. Best free tutorials, Claude Code full course. These 9-bit, 8 incomes, 5 insane Claude Code work use cases. 1-hour masterclass, 9 every Claude Code. 6 ways to cut token usage. 6 ways, Sabrina. How to win, hit 2 million, comprehensive, 5 million. Not back in February, and I know she done because this is what date is this YouTube video from? 2 months ago, was it June? Nah, these. $2 million, Claude, 30-day plan, and summit, 10-year-olds, how I created 5 PowerPoints, skills, 3 ChatGPT, Claude, Remotion, unlocks unlimited cheap video generation. This might be it. Let's see. Yes, finally. Okay. What you need per prompt. Let me bookmark this. That's my bookmarks. Pro tips, all of that. Education explaining video. Okay. Turn any topic into a full anime explaining video. Just change the topic. Claude researches it, writes the script. Change the topic. Where is that at? Prompt. User management. Understand that. Oh, the teacher. Oh, wait. I ain't see that part on mine when I did that. Create and explain a video. Oh, the teacher. I went right past it. Let's see. Let me show something right quick. Oh, no. Copy. Paste. So now I'm gonna tell you why content is important for local businesses, and then we are going to, if this works, I'm gonna turn these into skills. Each one is gonna be a skill. Let's see. Where's the part to say? Let me see. Include audio, music, sound tracks for videos as well. shift that, and then I'm gonna go all the way down. Hit that. Now, if this works, we got a explainer video automation ready. If you're not online, you don't exist. I hate those cliche ones. Content builds trust before hello. Content equals more customers. Any business can do this. Your next. I kind of like that because I could do. Oh wait. Okay. Hold on. Let me just. Let me get started. Step 1, new script. I have the music wiring. And step 2, using Remotion built-in audio. Thank you. Track down to public folder. Can this get into my, do this get my brand voice in it? Because this is not how I make my stuff. Customers read reviews, white video in it. You know what? Make it, well, make the target audience Northwest Indiana. Because that's where I'm from. I live in Northwest Indiana. Today, actually, is it today? Michael Jackson's thing today? Everybody out there? I already did plenty of content like this myself. You can do this. Okay. Build. Now let's see. We're gonna do it again. We're doing it twice because I didn't get the audio on the next one. If I should start adding an audio line and everything else is kosher, that's cool. And I just bookmarked that in my browser, plus it's in my browser history now. So I should be able to put it up here and then just copy and paste. Oh, wait. Yeah, this is Chrome. And I just added it to my marketing tools bookmark. And open up a window. Allow that. Open window, new window. Bookmarks. Marketing tools. Oh, can I go to history? Yes, iPhone. Yes. Why is it not bookmarked on here? We're gonna do it there. Because part 1, watch part 1 to get the hang of the basics. Remotion is in. Yep. I messed this up a little bit. I did it before. I gotta get locked in. Okay, product demo. Sketch real branding. Okay, I don't have a website. Man, I had built an entire thing on a local section, and it had for restaurants, right? It was pulling trending things from social media in order to be able to get them to use the existing menu in a trending way, like how chili sauce was going crazy on TikTok. They had it new recipes for. I did it for a gyro place, Greek gyro place, and it not only it made the. I wish I could pull it back up. It didn't save, but basically it went in. It did the entire brand research for the business. It got the screenshots from the Google My Business, went to the social medias, did the the brand research, and it created the content in the brand's voice, but also like I said, it had in the package for like any restaurant, it would be able to transfer one item on a menu or whatever special they needed into a trending thing that's already on like TikTok and Instagram. So that way they would automatically get traction once they posted the content. And that was without them having these. But what I'm gonna do with these, I'm really thinking to have this and be able to now download a CCO background track into Playwright. Yeah, that was the whole thing. Is I got a couple plans, but it was good for the restaurant. It was really, it generates nice stuff. But I did this with Google Flow, and basically I'm gonna have this with Remotion, Google Flow, and HeyGen for a content engine, and then Blotato to automate everything on top of the stuff that I was already doing. So that'll be the whole content engine. You'll be able to plug in the restaurant, do the demo, then do the code outreach, and be able to drop off the free samples and previews for them to have at least 1 or 2 weeks of free content. And then they come, set them up, onboard them for the next, keep it coming. Because that is so cool to me. I had never even thought about that concept because I was trying it before AI got this good. And that's without using Higgsfield and everything. So now we're creating the 5 scenes. That's good. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. That's crazy because it's moving like I'm on Claude, but I got YouTube open right now. And I still got 0 viewers, which is cool. I'm almost at 60 minutes. I don't know how long. Oh, that's for the volume. I don't know how long. Always allow. See the background shell filled. Wow. Now kill any existing studio and launch for this project. So okay, because I use the browser. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna let it load up. Why is it opening up? So regardless, I wonder if it's burning credits, because regardless, it keep opening like 2. I'm gonna share this screen so y'all can see it with me. Close that one. Share that one. Y'all see it, right? Close this. USEN. Let's go like this. Now let's play. There's Lake Michigan. Best pizza in America. Nothing's showing up. Maybe that's why I opened up 2. Let's see. Hold on. I'll let y'all see this one if it. No, I did the same thing. So there was no slides, nothing showing after the first scene on screen. Fix that and use brighter colors. And that makes sense too with the techno music she said that was on there. Let's let you know I was on. I'm trying to get these 5. What did she say? These few forms unlocked. And the fade sequence. Use current frame, return global frame. But I was adding from to it again, making the opacity calculation wrong for every scene after the first. Let me fix that. Oh, I like this. Okay, now I'm about halfway through my session. I might not want to stop until I get it all the way through, but I'll probably get back on tonight once I oh shoot, I gotta go to the store. Oh crap, what time they close? Gotta get some food, haven't eaten. Oh, shoot, they close at 9. Now I gotta go to Strax. Now let them bring all scenes. I'll update them in parallel. Oh, it's live? Wait, did it just load in? Or is it live editing and it? I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty decent for AI to do that. That's decent as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. But now I'm just curious, like, did it just not wasn't it just not loaded yet, or did they already fix it and I'm seeing it fixed? Cause I got so I I gotta get to the point where I got like this whole 5 terabyte storage is damn near full of content I need to edit that I don't want to, and I don't have money to pay nobody because I don't have a job right now. But if this works smooth, which actually technically it is already, I'll be back and I'll show y'all how to create product videos. I'll make it a part 2. I'll make the part 2 is doing her second prompt for the product videos. Because as you can see, the explainer videos work. Okay, now we're more than halfway through our credits. We was just a little bit before half. Now oh, that's right, y'all can't see. 2 background tasks running. What are they? Create new remotion project, launch remotion studio for no pre-project. Let me switch up the scene. But y'all saw it was working. You know? Yeah, though. Sure that. Now I see what I'm looking at. Wait, what the heck? So scene to the 5 has positive 0 the entire time. Now it correctly uses just the global frame directly against it. Okay. Oh, so it actively did this. Okay, let me see. So that is it, because now it's not okay. Because yeah, it's not the operation thing not on there no more. We'll just go that and go here. Some of the stuff is cut off, but I wish you could go and touch and move it. That'd be amazing. All I gotta do is move that down a little bit. It's not bad though. For just typing in the prompt and only having to change one thing on it, that's pretty good for AI right now. But we refine that, change the colors, and add even voiceovers and everything that we want to for that. But this has been an hour in on session, and now you see how we can do explainer videos. I'm very disappointed that I can't get VS Code to work, but luckily Claude Code do work because I just installed Git. And I'll see y'all in the next session, which will probably be sometime later tonight because I'll be sucked into all this technology and AI stuff. That's all I'll be doing all day. Can't get a job yet, but soon. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and the content and my struggle while I was going through this right now. And I will see you all later. Comment if y'all saw some stuff I was messing up or anything to make the stream better next time I log in. So thank you for the support. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye. Once I figure out how to turn off YouTube Live. Let's see. Where's the end live button? There's an edit button. There is a mute button, a share screen button, and there's the end stream button in my face. Bye-bye, everybody.